Right now, Trump fighting 4 criminal indictments and 91 charges. That means the legal bills are beginning to mount, and Trump has relied on campaign donors heavily to pay all those lawyers he now has to deploy. The former president has spent about $50 million raised by his Save America Political Action Committee on his legal bills and other expenses related to those ongoing criminal investigations. The New York Times reports that Trump's legal expenses roughly match Republican rival Nikki Haley's entire campaign fundraising through PACs in the past year. Speaking of Haley, she is still trailing in the polls as the last candidate standing in Trump's way to the GOP nomination. She went on X to mock Trump's expensive legal issues. In fact, Haley wrote this, quote, "Another reason Donald Trump won't debate me. His PAC spent $50 million in campaign dollars on his legal fees." She goes on to say, quote, "He can't beat Joe Biden if he's spending all his time and money on court cases and chaos," furthering her kind of main line against Trump that chaos follows him. He's chaos, I'm stability.
And there's this now because Haley's also releasing a series of ads today called Grumpy Old Men, suggesting both Trump and Biden are too old and too mentally infirm to run the country. With episode titles like Stumbling Seniors and Basement Buddies, the ads depict both leading candidates as well past their prime. It is really an aggressive poke at Haley's elders because Trump is 77 while Biden is 81. She's a relative youngster at just 51 years old.